Hello, my name is Sean. We're making peanut butter cookies. And you are going to learn how to make them. And watch. 1 cup of peanut butter first. And you will use the spatula, and this is peanut butter. You need to use a whole scoop. And then if you want, you can lick it a little. So you're going to add 1/2 cup of sugar, but not more, just 1. And then we're going to look for the egg, and only 1 egg, and that's white. Or it can be any color. And it's chicken eggs, but you don't need a chicken to make it. And you can put that wherever you want is okay. And now let's dump the egg in. Oh, I forgot. First, we need to look if there's any shells in. No shells, so dump. And now you just try to stir it. You can do it any height you want if you're okay with you're doing it. But don't go too fast, because I'm at 7. And I'm going to 6. No, 5. Grab balls and put them on a cookie sheet. Like this. And I have a lot of cookie dough. But we want them to be the exact same size. Too little. If they're too little, add a little more. If they're too big, take a little bit off. And then that's how you make the first part. And then you put them in the oven, which I can't help with. Next part, we just flatten them out with these. Watch. Because if you don't do that, then they'll just be cooked balls. So you just flatten them out like that. See? Look, I made one. And now you just leave it like that and then squish the other ones. And and then it look like tic-tac-toe. They're all done. Sent them. How many degrees again? 55,000?
350.
350 degrees for 10 minutes. But don't go higher than 10 minutes or just it's like cold or hot or whatever. Hello, do you know how they taste? Good. And they're all done. And look, they're all cooked. See, they don't break. Now, that's the end. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it.